Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of browser. On the application of Zoom, you click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you can go to the to this line and you can search about the application of Zoom. After that you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors. You can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.